guys, welcome to Yanzeo's channel. I'm Eva. Today I'm going to introduce our hot selling product, this Yanzeo L1100 1D barcode scanner. Let me open it. We have a instruction manual, and then there is a test barcode in it for testing. So many testing barcodes. And this is our main product, L1100 1D barcode scanner. This barcode scanner is a handheld wired 1D laser barcode scanner with a USB cable, LED light, and buzzer sound indicators. Also, it's comfortable design, comfortable operation sense, and the function is unbeatable and easy to use. The design of the scanner is super stylish. You can see this, super stylish. Ergonomic design, and the most important is so simple to install and suitable for all situations and workplaces. It has excellent and complete technical characteristics. The first, fast and accurate in reading all 1D codes. The second is super scanning and decoding ability, can read incomplete and fuzzy codes. The third is supporting keyboards of over 20 countries and regions. So this Yanzeo L1100 is waterproof, dustproof, and anti-knock design, and the most important is EMI shielding, so it is suitable for every industrial environment. So this is our Yanzeo L1100 1D barcode scanner. I'm Eva. Thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.